Orlando AC failed during hot weather? Move heat-sensitive people first, then compare repair and replacement evidence before signing a same-day proposal. Use a cooler-safe location for older adults, infants, people with medical conditions, and pets. If anyone has confusion, fainting, chest pain, or other severe heat symptoms, call emergency services. Do not open electrical panels or keep resetting a tripped outdoor disconnect. Confirm the thermostat mode and setpoint, replace only an accessible dirty filter, and check whether indoor and outdoor units are running. Photograph frost, water, error codes, and the breaker position without opening equipment or touching refrigerant lines. Ask the contractor for measured supply and return temperatures, airflow findings, electrical readings, leak evidence, and the exact failed component. A replacement proposal should also explain equipment size, efficiency, duct assumptions, condensate routing, pad location, and warranty. Orlando uses a mechanical permit application for heating and air conditioning repair or replacement, and contractors must have current license and insurance information registered with permitting services. Ask for the permit record in final inspection responsibility. As of July 1, 2026, Orlando also posts a new single-family building permit exemption for qualifying work below $7,500, but eligibility must be checked and documented. Do not assume the exemption applies to a mechanical replacement. Ask permitting services or the contractor to identify the exact permit path in writing. To locate an air conditioning service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.